Rear camera Freak's lens is blurry and can't focus. Remove the camera and heat it. Apply some alcohol to soften the glue. Slowly open this part. Apply dust-proof sticker. Heat and remove the surface iron sheet. Use a scraper to clean the glue from the weld. Heating separation motor chip. Heat to remove the blue light beads. Cleaning residual glue. Take out the new blue light beads. Install the motor. Solder the motor chip back. Install the camera back into the phone and test it. Freak's lens returned to normal.